Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones JVC. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable right here. Just connect it to USB-C port at the back of the charging case and we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port. We can also see LED light, it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!